Good morning, traders. Stockefeller back at it. I want to talk about this new potential swing trade. I tried to put this video out last night, you guys. I fell asleep. But this is YYAI. This has like a really close to chart to how Beyond had a chart, and it made 52-week lows. Was that yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. It made new 52-week lows yesterday, and I took the 8 cents buy into the close last night. Around this area, you guys, because I seen this thing so heavily down. If I take you guys to a daily, you guys could see this thing came from just $5 a couple months ago, a few months ago, and now to like 6 cents, right? Just a few weeks ago, around $3, and now at 6 cents. And I looked at the float, and then I looked at the balance sheet. I don't know what this company does. Don't ask me what they do. I'm not sure. The balance sheet looked okay to me, and it was like a $1.5 million market cap. I was like, wow, this is a good low risk play. Like I got in it last night around 8 cents, and I only got a tiny position, only a $3,000 position, you guys. And I got out some this morning, and I'm up. I probably made around 3 grand on this trade. We'll see what happens with the rest. I'm holding so far 9,000 positions left, 9,000 shares left. If I show you guys real fast, trying to do a quick video before the market opens. If you guys could see, I got in. Right here, hold on. If you guys could see, I got in yesterday, right here before the trend break. I got in a bunch of shares, 27,000 shares, I believe, yesterday, or 37,000 shares, around like between 7 and 8 area. So my average was around 8. And then this morning pre-market, I was selling. I was in traffic right here. Like I was taking my girl to her work, so I couldn't look at the chart. I didn't see this. I tried to. I was looking at this. I couldn't see this, but I did get 22,000 shares out at 17.18, and I got 2,500 shares out at 18 cents. And then this was my target, you guys. So I didn't want to get greedy. I'm like, it's past my target. I'm still gonna follow the plan. That's what usually happens when I like, excuse me, do overnight trading. Excuse me. We had a flag, we had a whole VWAP, we had a bunch of shorts cover, and I was like looking at the pattern. It usually like during the day it doesn't move, and then they pump it during pre-market, and then I was risking that low. I said it's like a $500 risk, and like I said, it was a tiny position. It wasn't even a big position on this, you guys. And right now I have 9,000 shares left, just in case to see if we could get this thing to squeeze. This thing might move. It could be a potential swing, you guys, just depending on the volume and price action it does. Just be careful with this one if you're looking at YYAY. It does have a little room all the way back up to at least 50 cents, I'm thinking. This morning I put my resistance yesterday around 25 cents. You can see it got close. It got to 23.59. But like I said, we do have room. Some people are going for $1 area. I know you can't see too much. Oh, that's a weekly chart. Okay, my bad. Yeah, there we go. You guys could see, like, some people are going for, like, a buck. If you look at the chart, you do have room. Like, we have room, but you got to have a little more patience than me for the dollar area. Because if you want to fill that gap, the next gap is around 75 and then $1. So I have some people who are calling this at 50 cents, 75, whatever. This is 100% on my money overnight, so I'm not gonna complain. Like I said, it was a $3,000 position, and I woke up with around a $3,000 profit. I almost took all of it. I just left 9,000 shares, which is a tiny position. It's about a $1,500 position, just in case something happens at the open. If not, I'm gonna try to protect the 15, 14, 8 area, just in case. Watch this one, you guys. Be careful. And don't forget, smash that like, subscribe to my channel. Keep an eye on this. And don't forget, plan the trade, trade the plan. Peace out.